welcome to my unboxing of the XCOOL 4-in-1 small wireless handheld vacuum cleaner. So this is what the box looks like on the different sides. There's the looks like an Amazon barcode and made in China. Some other wording. Let's see, nothing on that side. And see, this side has nothing. And then that side shows you the contents. Let me go ahead and cut out the shrink wrap on this. So let's see, go like this. So here's the contents of the box. You have a USB-A Type-C charging cable, crevice nozzle ×1, blow nozzle, brush nozzle, 2 of those, inflating nozzle, vacuum nozzle, and a metal HEPA filter. So let's see. Ooh. So inside is a very nice looking case. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so we'll zipper this guy open. Okay. Little pocket here, kind of like a small luggage. So, let's see. So this is the metal HEPA filter. And let's see, what is this? We got a little user manual. It's very thin, very few pages. So it shows this. Thank you for choosing our product structure, accessories, specifications, the operations, installation and use of accessories, then pretty much just the back side, disassembly and cleaning, use tips, and warning. So just one more time. You can freeze it on the parts that you want to see in more detail. Okay, and then here we have the actual product. Ooh. Before use, please fully charge and press long for 3 seconds to start up, and then press short to switch to high grade. So there's like a power button, a fan, charge port, looks like USB Type-C, I'm guessing. XCOOL, cool name. And then we got this box here, which probably has all the other stuff inside, which it does. It's got a, what is this? Vacuum nozzle. And then we have, what else do we have? A couple brush nozzles. And then we have a crevice nozzle. And then looks like a blow nozzle. And let's see. This is, oh, maybe this is the crevice nozzle. And then this is the blow nozzle. Okay, so this crevice nozzle, blow nozzle, and then let's see, inflating nozzle, vacuum nozzle, and And then 2 brush nozzles, metal HEPA filter, and last but certainly not least is the very short looking USB-A to Type-C charging cable, and it looks like to be probably 1 foot long. Let's see, so let me show you these things with the attachments. So this is the angled crevice nozzle. So it just goes in like that. And then we got the blow nozzle ×1. I don't even know how you put that on. Like that. Probably need something else. Oh, okay. So this is a replacement metal HEPA filter. Then not sure. And then we got these guys. Probably gonna have to read the directions to figure out how to put in those other attachments. Not really sure. Oh, so I just twisted it to open. So there's the metal HEPA filter. Looks like they give you a replacement. Let's see. Suck. Maybe. Oh, okay. So these other things maybe attach here. Nope. No such go. Trying to play with this thing. Make it flush. Okay, so I'm not exactly sure yet how these other attachments come into play. Let's see. Oh, not that way. Anyways, so there. That's that guy. I'm sure I'll figure out more as time goes on. So anyways, that's my unboxing for this very cool looking XCOOL 4-in-1 small wireless handheld vacuum cleaner. If you have any questions about it, please feel free to drop me a note in the comments below. Thanks very much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.